Okay.
Great morning, everyone. It's an honor to be one of the speakers today.
Being a first-time speaker today gives me this feeling of excitement. And of course, magkasama tayong dalawa. I hope we can give justice to all our expectations today.
You are absolutely right. Now, let's share to them about our businesses and let's start the ball rolling. I am Vanessa Roses, distributor of Oral Stem Cell and a Diamond 3-star leader of Freeway International. I help people regain back their vitality and youthfulness at the same time. At first, they became my clients, and when they experienced the change in their health, they began to share also their success story. And now part of my team as well.
I really believe on what you said, and I can attest to that. Actually, I'm the product of Freeway. I was a candidate for amputation year 2021. Buti na lang, you found for cheer. If not, siguro wala na yung isang pa ako. And I wanna thank you kasi hindi mo ako sinukuan kahit matigas ang ulo ko. Still, you are there no matter what. And dahil sa sobrang health conscious natin, napunta naman ako in Prive. I remember that day, we just visited our friend kasi we want to share BNI sa kanya and looking forward na makasama mo siya sa Health and Wellness Power Team. But because I saw the opportunity of this amazing device, in just 20 minutes of blowing the frozen shoulder ko, nawala yung pain na matagal ko nang iniinda. And since open naman ang category in Balikatan chapter, I grabbed the opportunity to be part of this group kasi talaga namang nakita ko how you have changed. Now that we were here, our mission is to help people gain back their health, able to age gracefully without taking any maintenance medicine. Going back to your Reway, can you give us a quick view what is stem cell is all about?
Well, stem cells is basically what we are made of. Our body is made of stem cell from head to toe. And what does stem cell do in our body? It actually regenerate, renew, and repair damaged cells. Kung ano ang damaged cells inside your body, yun ang i-repair niya. When, when we are born, we have 100% stem cell in our body. But as we mature, nagde-deplete yon. And then when we age 40 to 60, only 10% na lang ang stem cells. Kaya medyo mas matagal mag-recover ang body natin when we are already in 40s and up. If you heard about ERAP and Relay, Marcoses, they have their stem cell injection in Switzerland. And it cost them millions of dollars in just a single session. Kaya nga, stem cell daw is a secret of the rich and famous. But because of the oral capsule modern technology that Freeway used, it is no longer a secret. Our founder, Dr. Lim Bun Hong, believed that there is a right way in addressing any health struggles that we have. And that is by reversing the aging process of your body through stem cell therapy. For a minimum of 6 months continuous of taking Fortier, your body can be 5 to 10 years younger.
Oh, so it is a stem cell in a capsule? How is it possible?
Since the main ingredient of our product is live stem cells, they made use the enteric-coated technology, meaning the capsule can withstand the stomach acid and it is designed to be dissolved in your small intestine, meaning all of the ingredients in the capsule are already cell nutrient and the stem cell will be absorbed as living cell.
This is really advanced and modern technology. Nakaka-nosebleed. Kidding aside. Lastly, do you mean by reverse aging, you've been mentioning that is the key to address any health concern?
Well, according to Dr. Rico Fontillas, one of our Diamond 2-star, when you are undergoing stem cell therapy, para kang magpapa-organ transplant without any operation. Meaning, yung body mo mismo ang gagawa ng repair inside your body. It will just use the Fortier that you are taking every day. All of your old cells will be shed off and be replaced by baby and healthy cells. coming from the placenta of a deer. Now, you may ask me, why deer? Baka may side effects yan. There is an ancient saying that there is a treasure in a deer. According to Chinese medicine, from antlers to its tail, there is a medicinal benefits. And deer is considered as the cleanest mammal in the world. Wala silang gallbladder, kaya they are very picky eaters, and they believe to have humane soul because they have the ability to distinguish good from bad pasturage. And with regards to compatibility human cells, it is 99% biocompatible to human cells based on study. Now, let's talk naman about your very much intriguing therapy device, how it can help a lot of people.
Well, our device is called iTeracare. It is a blower therapy device that emits terahertz frequency energy that penetrates our body 30 centimeters deep. And what it does, it stimulates dormant stem cells by blowing your spine. Yes, you heard me right. Dahil our stem cell is coming in our spine and is connected in all our organs inside our body. Second, it activates cells. Millions of vibration is penetrating our body. Kaya after therapy, you will feel a certain energy. This is the terahertz frequency energy. Ano nga ba itong energy na ito? Terahertz frequency energy is in the middle of microwave sunlight. And it is very safe sa human body because same frequency and device sa katawan natin. Tanong, ibig sabihin ba may frequency tayo sa katawan? Yes naman. Our body has frequency. Remember nung mga bata pa tayo, if your body is charged with this frequency, pag dumaan ka sa TV na may antena, nawawala or nagbe-blur yung TV. Or even, this explains minsan, pag humawa ka sa bakal, naka-ground tayo. Grabe, so amazing talaga yung human body. Kaya we should take care of it kasi totoo naman talaga na our body can heal itself. Pero as we age, nababawasan ng stem cell. And malaking factor din yung lifestyle.
Wow, a therapy device that emits terahertz frequency energy. Naalala ko tuloy yung sinabi ni Albert Einstein that the future medicine will be frequency medicine. And it is already here, ladies and gentlemen. You have mentioned kanina pala that when you first time try this device, na-address yung frozen shoulder mo, para lang ba siya sa may pain? In some of your clients, what are their experiences in using iTera?
Sobrang dami niyang benefits actually. Just recently, my tita na suffers from frozen shoulders, in just blowing her for 30 minutes, talagang nawala yung pain niya. Meron pa yung stroke patient na after the therapy, na ilulupinan niya yung tuhod niya. And yung pinakahuli ko na therapy which referred by Sir Richard Gibana na may enlargement of the heart at may problem sa tuhod because 1 month she is confined sa hospital. After the therapy, nagagalaw na niya yung tuhod niya and tinanggal yung oxygen niya and check her oxy level, normal siya. Truly amazing.
Amazing it is. Sometimes at first you will be skeptic, pero once you try it and experience it, you will realize that it really works. Now, how about if you don't have any body pains? Can you still try this device?
Yes, of course. By following the blowing guide, you will experience an extraordinary energy because it improves your blood circulation. And in prolonged usage of this device, you can also experience reverse aging. And always remember, prevention is better than cure. Just a simple back pain due to fatigue, 30 minutes of blowing to your body will give sleep as deep as a baby sleep. Some of our BNI members who already avail this device can attest to this. Thank you to Press Joanne, Miss Krish, Mr. Vern, and Mr. Richard Gibana for availing the classic therapy device.
Congratulations on your close business from our referral partners here in Balikatan. Truly, our chapter foster positive and supportive community. Going back to our discussion, is it standard that 30 minutes ang usage ng therapy device? What if I don't have much time kasi super busy ng schedules?
Oh, I understand, but don't you worry. We have 3 varieties of therapy device. Depends on your preference. We have the classic device, which whom you need to use it in 30 minutes for the whole body of the therapy session. The second one is a premium, which you need only 10 to 20 minutes. And lastly, the Pro, which is the hospital grade, is 5 to 10 minutes of usage every therapy session. But of course, it will vary the price for each device.
Oo, para pa lang sa status in life lang yan. May pang-masa, pang-middle class, or upper class. So here in BNI, we have so-called our niche or target market. What kind of market are you looking for so our chapter members can refer to you?
Please connect me to alternative doctors, spa owners, therapy centers, gym instructors, and in schools. How about you? How can our chapter help you with with your stem cell business?
Well, for me, you can recommend me well to medical doctors, life coaches, wellness coaches, HR managers, and even politicians if you will attend one of my events. It's either face-to-face or via Zoom online. I am inviting you this coming Friday, 8 p.m. via Zoom to listen and watch my opportunity and product presentation. You can also invite your family and friends.
Let's support VP Ban on her event this coming Friday. And speaking to support, I would like to take this opportunity to thank BNI Balikatan for your guidance and untiring support to my business. In just 3 months, I was able to have this data that really helped my business jumpstart.
Congratulations in your milestone here in BNI. More achievements to come. Speaking of milestones, I would like also to share some of my contributions in BNI. Thank you, my dear BNI Balikitan business repair partners, for your continued trust as your stem cell specialist. Being part of the leadership team is not an easy task, but being surrounded with the most passionate and loving leaders of Balikatan makes my journey easy. Me and my husband Bert will be forever grateful. Before we end our presentation, any promos you would want to share?
Thank you. We almost forgot. This month, our promo is if you buy 5 classic device, you will get 1 for free. And if you buy Pro device, you will get 1 premium device for free until June 30 or while supply lasts. How about you?
Well, only to BNI members, I am offering 50% off on our core tier. So message me if you want to avail. I am Vanessa Roses of Freeway International, showing you the right way. Together with
Birth process of Pref International.
reversing the aging process of your body through Portier placenta.
Blowing your pain away through iTeracare therapy device. Thank you. Good morning.